Have you ever wondered how people are making those Reddit TikTok videos that are generating tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it 100% for free, and don't worry, we're not gonna use ElevenLabs. So watch this entire video. If you wanna learn how to make these videos, if you're just curious on how stuff works, this is going to be the perfect video for you. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you wanna be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so if you've been on TikTok any length of time, you have seen those Reddit story videos where people are basically just using AI to read off a Reddit story, and they're actually making pretty good money. Now, you can make money with the TikTok Creator Fund. It's recently changed, so I don't know if that has a negative impact, but in this video, like I mentioned, I'm just gonna show you how to do it step by step. Now, the first thing that you wanna do is you want to hop over to Reddit. Reddit calls itself the front page of the internet. It's a place where people go to ask and answer questions. Now, the cool thing with Reddit is it's broken down into different subreddits, kind of like Facebook groups. And so there are probably over 1 million subreddits out there, but I'm gonna show you how to find some the most popular. So what we wanna do is we wanna think of a niche, a target audience, someone that has a problem, someone that are asking lots of questions. The one subreddit that I really like, it's called Anti-Work. It's where people just come and vent their frustration. It's a good topic to get a lot of comments, a lot of hearts, a lot of people agreeing with you, because a lot of people share the same frustration. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go out and find different subreddits that are related to our niche. So this one's all about unemployment for all, not just the rich. If you can find 2 or 3 of these, this is actually really cool. So that's step number 1. Really simple, really easy. Now, step number 2, you can do 2 things. One, you can jump over to YouTube and you can find people are using like Call of Duty backdrops. They're using surfing backdrop for their videos. There's a third way that we're going to do, but I want to make sure that I cover all my bases. So the game that everyone plays is called Subway Surfers, just like this. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head on over to filters. You're going to want to change this to Creative Commons. This allows you to actually download these different videos without any issues. So you'd want to copy the URL and then go out and find a YouTube downloader, and then you're going to want to download that. I don't want to show you how to do that because it could be considered against copyright, but you want to make sure that you are using ones that are Creative Commons. They allow you to do that. You could also find Creative Commons over on TikTok as well, but that is step 2. Step 3, and this is so brilliant, so genius, and this won't get you in trouble. What you can do is you can use a free video editing platform called CapCut, 100% free. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to go script to video. And now that you have that popped up, you are simply just going to copy the text from here, like this, copy this, you're going to paste it right in. And what I recommend is shoot for about 2,000 words. Most videos are about 1 minute in length. And so you're just going to copy this. It doesn't get any easier than this, guys. Now, how long this little loophole will be opened, I don't know. I just saw a lot of people talking about this way of creating content, and I thought this would be a really cool video to show you how to do it. So I've got about 826 words here. I'm just going to do a little bit more copying and pasting, and then once I get to 1,000 words, I am going to generate the video, and I'm going to actually show you what this looks like. So I'll come back to you when I have completed this portion, and I'll show you how to create this AI video. All right, so I have just over 1,100 words here, and what you can do is you can actually change the voice. You can do werewolf, zombie, Jesse, good guy, chill girl, all sorts of options out there. A lot of them are free. If it says pro next to it, it means you have to pay, but we're just going to click generate. We're going to do smart generation, so they're actually going to come up with the scenes for us. Then we just have to do a couple more things, and our video is ready to go. So this usually takes about 1 minute or less. One thing that you could actually try too is you could actually try ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has a CapCut plugin, and you could actually ask ChatGPT to come up with a 1-minute video using Anti-Work. In fact, that might be something that I try in a future video. You see how that works. All right, so after about 1 minute, this is what we have. This is the CapCut desktop dashboard. And as you can see, they've actually given us the auto captions, which are really popular. We can change the dimension. So I'm gonna change this from 16 by 9 by 9 by 16 so it fits on TikTok. We can highlight all of these, and then we can adjust the size so that it takes up the full screen like this. We can also highlight over all of the captions, and we can actually make some changes as well. So we can go from just a regular system to typewriter. We can move this up or down. We can actually change what this looks like. So maybe we will grab this like this. We can move this. I'm going to move this to about 1,000 like this. hit enter, you can see that moves all the way to the top. Maybe I put this down to 500. Now here, if we wanted to, we could get rid of the video that it came up with for us, and we could put in that Subway Surfer video if we wanted to. But really, this is all you need to do. The one other thing that I would do is I'm going to come over to effects, and I'm going to add in a special effect so it pops on the screen a little bit more. But in reality, this is all that you need to do, and I will play this. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'm going to play it.
What exactly are we paying taxes for in the US? No healthcare, no infrastructure, no free education, no free job prospects in most countries. All right, so the final touch that I'm going to put on is I'm going to come up here. I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here. What exactly are we paying taxes for? And this is the type of video that would get lots of views because it's something that a lot of people agree with, and it's something that's going to get a lot of comments. And so what I'll actually do is I'll upload this video on one of my test TikTok accounts, and I'll show you the results. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you'll make a bunch of money with this. This is just something really cool that a lot of people are doing, and it's something that I think anybody can do. So let me just put this final touch here like this. We're gonna slide this over, and this basically is a ready to go video. The final thing is we're going to click on export like this, and I'm going to export that to our computer. Once it exports, we'll let it play. What exactly are we paying taxes for in the US? No healthcare, no infrastructure, no free education, no free job prospects in most countries. You don't start paying off your loan till they place you with a proper job. No family benefits, no childcare, no public transit, no safety net, no mental help. So as you can see, that video is probably going to spark a lot of engagement. And so I'll let you know of the results once I post it and once I get some feedback. This is how you can easily create these Reddit videos. You can do 2, 3, 4, 5 a day if you have the time. And as you see, it doesn't take a lot of time to do. Now again, right now people are monetizing this with TikTok Creator Fund. I don't know if that's going to continue because quite honestly, this is probably low effort work, but this is something that is working this moment. Will this work 6 months from now? I have no idea. Do this at your own risk is what I'm gonna say. So now that you know how to make these TikTok Reddit style videos for free, watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.